In this video, I'm going to show you how to program a key with the Autel KM100. So I've got a Chevrolet key here. I've already gotten it laser cut at a locksmith. Now I just need to program the key to the vehicle. And I'm going to show you how to do that step by step with Autel's KM100E. This is what the key programmer looks like. I'll put a link in the description down below how you can get these off Amazon. They're not cheap at all. They're about $400. But if you have a lot of cars, maybe you buy and sell cars, and you're always adding keys, it's a lot cheaper to buy one of these than to take it to a locksmith and have them program it. You can also put an ad on Marketplace for key programming, and you can charge 40, 50 bucks to go to people's houses or go to people's apartments and program a new key for them. And they will eventually pay for themselves. If not, you can always use one once or twice and then resell it on Marketplace. Now, a key aspect that I want to tell you is when you program keys, for me, it always seems to be better if you link the programmer to the part that goes into OBD2 port with the USB cable. For whatever reason, sometimes it doesn't always work if you just use the Bluetooth or use the wireless. I always use the cable anymore, and it almost works 100% of the time. Let's go ahead and get this key programmed to the vehicle. Now go ahead and plug in your transmitter to the OBD2 port. Use the USB cable and then turn on the KM100. All right, so now you can go to the IMMO icon, tap that, and now we need to get the VIN number. If you hit this top left, that's going to be auto VIN. Go ahead, hit that, and it should scan your vehicle and come up with the vehicle's VIN number. If not, go ahead and enter it manually. Now once it reads your VIN or you entered it manually, you're going to confirm the vehicle. So if everything looks correct, you can hit yes. So now in this main menu, you can go to Hot Function and then click Add Key. And now this is where it's going to start to read the PIN number off of the vehicle. So if you do need a PIN number, this is where you're going to start. If you don't need one, it will just skip it. So we're going to go ahead and hit start. If you look up here, we're in the add key. This is the guided section, so it's going to go step by step. So we're going to hit start. Do you want to start PIN reading? We're going to hit yes. Now hit OK. It does say it's recommended to use the USB cable. You don't have to, but I found that since I've been using it every time, it always works. Hit OK. Now we need to turn the ignition on. All right, so now once you have the ignition on, you're going to hit OK. You also want to make sure you're in a Wi-Fi network area and connected to a network. Now the lights will go on and off inside the vehicle. It will make a couple beeping sounds. And now it did read the code, so the code's 2128. And it should just copy and paste it. So now we do want to start to add the key learning process. So we're going to hit yes. Now we need to start the vehicle. Now you need to shut the vehicle off. Just make sure that all the doors are closed and the ignition is just in the on position now. So we're going to hit OK because that's our code. Now it's going to configure the system, and this is what takes a while. It's usually about 10 to 15 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and let it configure. Now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and turn the key off and remove the key and hit OK. When you open and close the driver's door, And now the key that needs to be programmed, we're going to insert that one, turn it to the on position, hit OK. Now it's going to configure the system, but this will work a little bit quicker. Now the current key is complete and matching. If you have another key, you can hit yes. If that's the only one, just go ahead and hit no. Turn the ignition off and remove that key you just programmed. Hit OK. Now you're going to open and close the driver door. Make sure that all the lights in the vehicle are off. Now we're going to hit OK. Now it's going to configure the system again. This one will take about a minute. Once the system has configured, you're going to put that key in that you just programmed, turn the ignition on, and hit OK. Now we're going to turn the ignition back off again, hit OK. Turn the ignition on one more time. Now it's telling me that I do have 4 keys programmed to the vehicle, so we're just going to hit OK. And now if you do have a remote key fob, you can also perform it here. I don't have a fob I'm going to program, so I'm just going to hit no. And now the key is programmed. Now before I unplug anything, I'm going to go ahead and put that key in and see if it starts the vehicle. Starts right up, works perfect. And that's all there is to it, guys. That key's programmed and this vehicle is ready to go. All you gotta do is follow that guided step. Make sure that you have all the doors closed and you're inside the vehicle when you start the learning process. Make sure that your Autel is completely charged up, because you may have to do a firmware update when you get started. And I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.